So to answer this question right here, this is a business system that you can relicense and you can resell to others. So when you join, you have the ability to consume the information, go through it, and apply it into any industry that you're in, not just by re-promoting the same thing that you bought. You can actually go out there, take the skill sets, apply it into a niche like weight loss, muscle building, fishing, sports, etc. But what a lot of people like to do when they're brand new is they like to earn while they learn. And that's what's really cool about this system is you can learn marketing and you can make money while learning marketing instead of going into a separate industry where you have to spend all these hours learning marketing and then you have to learn the skill set of that specific niche and then you can finally make money. Where with this, you can get in, you can plug into a proven business model. We'll show you exactly how to take that business model, relicense it, re-promote it, and start earning your first few commissions. Also, the commissions that you make from this system are high ticket. Contrary to most industries where you just get low ticket commissions, you're able to make more with this in less hours and a lot less work. So hopefully that answers your question. Saturation is a theory, it's a myth. It doesn't exist because it's about building your own brand. Your uniqueness is different than somebody else's uniqueness. You have a different background. You have a different story to be told. And that's what makes somebody buy from you versus somebody else out there. So hopefully that helps.
If you'd like more like this, go ahead and subscribe and comment, and don't forget to check for the link to see more. If you're watching on TikTok, check the bio. Instagram or Facebook, comment free. YouTube, check the description and get started.